This tiny predator can rotate its head 180 degrees and climb straight down trees headfirst. Ringtails have 14 alternating black and white bands on their 16-inch tail for balance and communication. They can squeeze through openings smaller than their head using their incredibly flexible spine. A ringtail eats the equivalent of 40% of its body weight in food every single night. When threatened, ringtails arch their backs and spray a musky odor like miniature skunks do. Mothers teach their babies to hunt by bringing them live insects and small prey to practice with. They're basically tiny ninja acrobats that hunt 40% of their body weight nightly. Nature's masked gymnast, guardian of the night.